Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
How many total projects we have? Look at this whole organization you can manage through this dashboard. So look at it very carefully. How many projects you have for this? So I have 17 projects. So 17 projects code analysis has been completed. Okay. How many you have? See Amit G project. You see here. My cursor is not visible to me myself also. Yeah. So Amit G project you see here. This is the one. How many bugs you have? 0 bugs. How many vulnerabilities you have? 0. How many security hotspots you have? 0. How many issues you have? Code smell. You have 4 issues. Coverage not here. Duplicate code you are having here. Lines of code. Remember I have given you very small project, just a two file. Okay, so you won't find so many things. So this is the one. Now look at this here guys, all the projects listed it here, all the issues whatever you get it here, and all the rules you get it here. Same thing I was talking about. Left side you have lots of filter for the project, project filter, issue filter, rules filter. Okay, you see that some filter and search mechanism you have here also. So let's click on it. Click on the projects, and here you have all the projects. You can search by the project's name. In reality you'll be having hundreds of projects actually. Okay, now the thing is, when I click on the project, let's say DevOps school projects, where is mine? Here, this is my project. Where is us? It should be down, right? I can't locate it. Someone has replaced my project key. Okay, so this is the Amit G projects. Look at this new code. How many issues you can run multiple times? Same project, new code and overall code. How many issues? 4 code smell. See here. How much of work is required to fix these issues? 1 hour. This 4 code smell is coming under which category? Maintainability. Means bad coding practices you have followed. No security reviews, no security, no reliability and stuff like that. Can I see that? What is the problem here? Look at this. These are the 4 issues you have. I want to know, first of all, who made these issues? So if I click here, see, Rajesh Kumar made these issues at this time. What is the issues? Click on it. Why this is an issues? Can we mark this as a bug or security issues? Major, minor, can we make it? Can we resolve as a fix, resolve as a false positive, resolve as won't fix? Can we assign to someone to work? Can we comment? Can we tag? And many things. So see here, you can click on the security hotspots, measurement as per the reliability score, security score, maintainability score, coverage, duplication, many things. You can browse the code also. This is the code, I'm browsing it. You can see that at the project level here, lines of code, bugs, vulnerabilities, code smell, and many things. But at the source code level also you can traverse, and where is this problem, you can find out. Activity, how many runs has happened. You can compare between the 2 runs, 3 runs, or whatever it is. Are you going down or up? This is all about One project, guys. So here all the issues from the all the project, you can get it here. See here how many issues you have total. 64 issues of how many projects? I think 16 or 17 projects. So you can see that whole issues at one place. Entire organization's issues of the your source code you can find at one place. By the way, you have a very rich filter, very rich filter which you can use it here. Look at this. So you can filter by type, severity, resolution. In the real time, you don't have only 66 issues. You may be having thousands of issues in the source code. So here you can fix that each issues one by one. So author, assignee, project, tag, rule, language, and everything. So yep, you can filter it here. My issues, the issues which got assigned right now, none of you got assigned to myself. So let me assign to myself. Right now, only one user is there. And here, my issues. This is I'm working on it. I can comment on it. I'm working on it. Okay. So many things you can do that, guys. Here. This is the issue tab. Next one is the rules tab. Remember, I've been talking about the rules. Look at this here. SonarQube support multiple programming languages. Java, Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP. This is a community edition. So whatever the rules, Sonar Source got it free of cost. They uploaded it and keep it here. So for Java, they have 576 rules. Let me tell you here, not all these rules is getting applied on the source code, but here you have all the rules. All the rules you have it here. Look at this. You can filter it as per the programming languages. Again, you have such a great filters in place to filter the rules here. Great filter is in place to place the rules here. So everything you have here, everything you have here. Only Java 576, only Python 533. You can search by a bug rule, vulnerabilities, code smell and all. Filter by tag, filter by which repository it belong to, filter by what kind of rules, blocker, measure, critical, minor, filter by status, filter by security categories, filter by available scenes, filter by templates. So guys, many filters are available. You just have to check it out. So this is the rules. But do you want more rules? So right now Java has 576 rules. I want more rules. So manual way to installation of the rules is also possible, but you can install through the plugin also. So what do we do in this case? So guys, I want more rules. I want to install more plugins of rules. So what do we do in this case? Click on administration, click on the marketplace. And here, little bit of downside, I see the plugins. Plugins is a way to extend the capability of the tools. It may be features, it may be rules, any kind of it. So many plugins you have it, but right now I'm interested in the rules only. So if I search only rules here, filter it out, you see here there's so many rules are there which is not installed in SonarQube. I am going to install the check style rules. Check style is a free rules actually. By the way, rules can be paid also. You have to buy the rules. Security rules, many of these good rules are paid only. So you have to buy the rules here. But right now check style is free. I'm going to install it. Remember last time the rules which I had it in the Java was 576. I am installing more check style means more Java rules. Check style is a static code analyzer for the Java code. So I installed the check style. It's asking for the restart. I restarted it and ADMIN, ADMIN login. So guys, can I go and check the rules? See here, 576 to 930 rules. You got a more rules, more check. So guys, so far so clear, right? Till rules. Everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next one is quality profile. I've been discussing this quality profiles from last some time. But what is that? So guys, look at it very carefully, not very difficult things. Here, look at this. For each language, there is one quality profile named with the Sonar Cube. If you see that, it's a built-in and it's a default for all projects. But the question is not it's a built-in, what is the name, what is the projects for, but what is a quality profile? So guys, quality profile is a collections of rules which you apply. Yes, collections of rules which you apply on your project. So here, if you look at this, I have a Java. Look at this. I have a Java 930 rules. I don't want to run on my project 930 rules. Maybe I want to run 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, not 930. Maybe it's not relevant to my code actually. So why to run and waste time and get a false flag? Remember, false positive again is a waste of technical debt, right? So false flag. So what we do in this case? So we will use quality profile, guys. Any number of quality profile you can create it. One quality profile SonarQube has created and for you, and that you cannot get rid of it. You cannot delete actually. You cannot delete. So can I create in a Java category? Can we create, because I have a source code which is based on the Java. So can I create the profile? Yes, I can create. I have access. Go ahead and create. Now this I'm going to name it with my name. So like anyone who's going to create a quality profile, please name your projects. Okay. And then Java created. So right now in my profile of Rajesh, there's no active rules are added for the bugs, security, code smell and security hotspots. Can I activate? Yes. Let me do one by one. Activate one, activated, activate 2, activated, activate 3, activated. But I don't have a patience right now one by one. So let's go to the bulk changes, activate every one thing, every rules in the Rajesh. It's not required though. I'm just doing it sake for the discussion and demo. So guys, here I got the rules. Look at this quality profile, Rajesh, this Rajesh. I got this, these many rules. You got it here. So activated almost everything, but this should be applied to some project, right? As of now, no projects are explicitly associated with this profile. So what to do with without all? So right now, who has stolen my project? Let me catch him. So Rohan, you have stolen my project. So I'm going to take back my project. Remember my project name was DevOps School. So you do not change the keys, you change just name and then run it. So Rohan Sonar project, I'm allocating it and done. So right now this project is mine, which I have associated with it. So now guys, here I am going to rerun. Yes, I'm going to rerun and scanner. I'm going to rerun the scanner after associating the my project with my profile. Key should be unique. So I think I'm going to change the profile, this project name also. So it's just a two source code. You won't take much time. It's good for the demo and learning the functionality, but in the real code, it might take hours and hours actually for the analyze. Okay. So now almost done. And guys, can we read this log file carefully? Little bit of it. You should read carefully. And if I see here, look at this. Read this line. Quality profile for Java is Rajesh now. Earlier it was a Sonar way, it was a default one. Can we go home page? Can we locate my name? Here it is. I read. And now how many issues you have? See here. One code smell, you got it with the new code. And overall 51 code smell you have. So new rules, new code, smell, new issues and stuff like that. See activities. The more time you spend, see here. Oh, we are creating a score actually. It's like we are day by day we are increasing the number of issues. That's not good, right? That's not good sign. Correct? So you can see the difference between all this stuff, whether you are doing good, not good. See here. First scan I had a 4-code smell. Second, it was done by someone else, Rohan, I guess. Third is done by, I got a 51 core smell. Good path. My project is on good path. So guys, this is the quality profile. Everyone have understood or not? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Now guys, last one which we have is quality gates. What is a quality gates? Guys, have you noticed this one thing here on this screen? You look at this here. Past. Past. So what is this past? See, the code should be passed in terms of code analysis. So the same code should be built, packaged, test, deploy, test, and move to the production release. Same code. But if that you are giving the bad code actually, that has a bugs and security issues, code smell still I can ignore for some time, but not too long. But you have a bugs in the software, you have a security issues in the software. Why should we build that code? Why should we package that code? Why should we deploy and test that code and then release? No, that should be failed. The quality gate should be failed, not passed. So how do we control that? How do we emphasize on those part? How do we create automated ways to check? If you do not give me the standard of the code, I'm not going to take it for the next stage of the software development life cycle. I'm not going to take it up. So what do we do in this case, guys? For that matter, we are going to work with quality gate. You know why all the projects were passing? Because of this quality gate, which is set by default, is having very weak check. Very weak check. Here, this is the SonarWay default built in, has this many condition and it's not violated, so that project got passed. So that means it says if you have a coverage more than 80%, less than 18%, 80%, then should be pass. All this thing is a very weak conditions actually. You should read it with a peace of mind. But right now I'm not interested in this. I want to have my own quality gates. So Rajesh gate. This I'm creating Rajesh gate. And this for which project? Of course, you know that DevOps school. This project is belongs to mine. I applied. What condition you want to add it? So I want to add a code on a new code or on overall code. What? So smell. If the code smell is less than is greater than 10, the quality gate should be failed. See here, quality gate fail when code smell is greater than 10. Add it. One more condition. If overall, if duplicate code, all these conditions you have to learn. Right now I have only these two for set that. Duplicate code is more than 10%, then fell. So guys, I did this. I had a two condition 10 code smell, duplicate code 10%. Can we see the current status here? Current status. How much code you have? How much duplicate code you have? 48%. How many code smell you have? 51%. Now let me run one more time this, and you see that last time it got passed. You see here, this is passed. Let me run and then refresh this. Yes, guys, I did it. Refresh. And you see failed. Now, why is failed? Because this condition got violated. You should read it very carefully. So guys, that is quality gate. This is a quality gates. Now, under the administration, you have a many features such as you can add a users here. You can put this users into the group here. Set the good group permission here. What and all he can do, administrators and all stuff like. So these are self-service. And marketplace, I have shown you how to install the plugins and all. Here you can manage all the projects and you can delete, edit permissions and many things you can do that. So guys, this is SonarQube. Here, all the projects you can get it, all the issue of all the projects, all the rules, quality profile, quality gate, and some of the administration options. So did you understand SonarQube as a platform for quality management for your entire organization? Did you get it?
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.